I was born in Georgia in April, and while I've had the privilege of playing golf courses all over the world, my heart still belongs to that little golf course in Georgia, Augusta National, the home of the Masters. Believe it or not, I'm turning 50 this month, and it's taken me 50 years to visit Augusta National in person. When I was a little girl, women were not allowed to play the course. They weren't allowed on the course, and they weren't allowed in the clubhouse. So it gives me great pleasure this weekend to support women playing Augusta National in the Augusta Women's Amateur Championship. And this is the outfit I will wear for the championship round. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the skirt is actually a seersucker golf skirt, so it's shorts underneath. This one is 16 inches long, and I'm barely 5'1", so it's the perfect length for me. And I also have a lightweight jacket as the forecast keeps changing for Saturday's round. But I'm very excited. Tennis shoes are a must because I plan on walking all 18 holes, seeing all 18 tee boxes, all 18 fairways, and all 18 greens. This is the outfit I am packing for our downtime away from the golf course. So it is a pair of very comfortable linen, almost palazzo-like pants with a cardigan and a sweater tee underneath. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I love my ballet flats. The little ballerina in me cannot say no to them. But everything you're seeing in this outfit here, other than the shoes, is from Amazon and under $40. And with that said, you can shop these outfits. Some of them you can shop directly in the description below. All of them you can shop by scanning the QR code on the screen or by following the link in the video description. While we are ultimately headed in Augusta, we are spending one night in Atlanta, my hometown, and we are having dinner at the restaurant where we had our first date. And so this is the dress that I am going to wear to our Friday dinner before the Saturday championship round, before we drive to Augusta on Saturday. This dress you can shop directly in the description below or by clicking on the shopping bag on the screen. And because the weather keeps fluctuating and the forecast keeps changing, I am packing this neutral pashmina. I don't know if you can see it on screen, but there's a little bit of a glitter fleck to it. It's so pretty in person. I also got it in a seafoam green color, and I can't wait to show it to you. But this you can shop in the description as well. And for dinner on Saturday, this is the pantsuit that I have packed. We don't actually have a dinner reservation yet because we're waiting to see how tired we are after walking all 18 holes, how long it takes us to get back to Atlanta from Augusta. It might be a room service kind of night. But I've packed this just in case. I can wear the pashmina with it. I can also wear the black cardigan with it as well. And I love this waistcoat style vest pantsuit look. Very chic, very fashionable. And again, with any travel capsule wardrobe, we try to limit it to 2 to 3 colors because that minimizes the number of accessories I have to pack. It also maximizes the number of outfits I can create from the pieces that I bring. And this is my airplane outfit, my airport outfit. I posted up just a photo of it, or actually it was a video of it, in my stories today from the airport. And I must have had 30 requests immediately for a link. So there will be a link in the description. You can also shop this through the QR code on the screen. I don't travel in sneakers. I usually travel in a blazer, jeans, and these comfy sole, or they're rubber sole loafers. This was my first time wearing them, and they were as comfortable as athletic shoes. So a really good choice for traveling. You still look polished and sophisticated. Until we meet again, my friends.